Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another BBB Duo from Kozmik Nails. And this BBB will be releasing today, that is Monday, July 25th at 10 a.m. Central Time. So here are the two colors in this week's duo. The pink is Flirt and the orangish yellow is Mango, and these colors are beautiful. That pink, it's like a neon hot pink sheer. Then Mango is a beautiful milk bath orangey yellow color. So for today's mani, I'm going to be using the gel method, and I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. So let's talk about BBB, also known as Big Bang Baby. So what this is every Monday at 10 a.m. Central Time, Kozmik Nails releases a duo. It's either two dips or two dips in a decal. It changes weekly, and it is a special discounted price. You get both of the items shown here. So you would get Mango and Flirt for $8, which is a great value. And you can also use a discount code on top of that. And this deal runs through a whole week. So if Wednesday rolls around, you're like, oh no, I forgot to check out what the BBB is for Kozmik Nails for the week, you still have time to check out the duo. And if you end up missing this duo completely, not a problem. She does sell past BBB duos on her website as well. So I'm going to go ahead and let you continue watching this mani, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're just finishing up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think Flirt is beautiful with that little hint of shimmer in there. It really ties this mani together. And Mango is just a beautiful yellowish orange color, perfect for the summer season. So definitely go over to Kozmik Nails and check out this BBB for the week. I do have a discount code. It's Mallory10, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!